How do I wash my Hey Dude shoes without damaging them?
Hello, shoe enthusiasts. In this video, we'll be tackling the important topic of cleaning your Hey Dude shoes. These shoes are known for their comfort and style, but like any footwear, they can get dirty over time. We'll show you how to wash your Hey Dude shoes safely and effectively without causing any damage.
What do you need?
Before we start, here are the materials you will need: a soft brush or an old toothbrush, mild laundry detergent, warm water, a towel. These items will help you give your Hey Dudes a proper clean without damaging the materials.
Preparing your Hey Dude shoes for washing.
First off, remove the insoles and laces from your Hey Dude shoes. This will allow you to clean all parts of the shoe more thoroughly. Plus, it's generally better to wash the insoles by hand and to replace laces if they're too dirty. Also, remember to brush off any loose dirt or debris from the shoes using your soft brush or toothbrush.
Washing your Hey Dude shoes.
Now, let's get down to the actual washing. Create a mixture of warm water and a small amount of mild laundry detergent. Dampen your soft brush or toothbrush in the mixture and gently scrub the shoes, both inside and outside. Pay special attention to any stubborn stains or dirty spots. Do not soak your Hey Dude shoes, as this could damage the materials.
Rinsing and drying your Hey Dude shoes.
Once you've scrubbed your shoes, use a damp cloth to wipe away the detergent. Make sure no detergent residue remains on the shoes. Then, use a dry towel to blot out as much moisture as possible. Let your Hey Dude shoes air dry naturally. Do not use a heater or place them directly under the sun, as this can cause them to shrink or warp.
Reassembling your shoes.
After your shoes are completely dry, replace the insoles and rethread the laces. Your Hey Dude shoes are now clean and ready to wear. That's it. Now you know how to safely and efficiently wash your Hey Dude shoes. It's a straightforward process that will keep your shoes looking fresh and clean and extend their lifespan. Remember, proper shoe care can save you from buying a new pair sooner than necessary. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.